Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you play different videos, songs, movies on your laptop by different players, media players. The media player today I will be explaining is VLC. It's well known and the most simple and basic. Go to Google, search VLC Media Player, and it will give you an official website link. There, there are different versions: VLC for Windows, VLC for Mac OS, Ubuntu, Chrome. We're gonna do this for Windows, so we're gonna click on VLC for Windows. Here you can see VLC for Windows. VLC is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. On their website, there are also older versions, but it is recommended that you do the latest version because it will have the most functionalities. Click on this arrow and see if it also gives you source code. MSI package, we now need installer for 64-bit version because our PC is 64-bit. Thanks, your download will start in a few seconds. If not, click here. So we'll wait for some time and it has automatically started. Here you can see VLC 3.0.17.4 Windows 64-bit .exe. It's gonna take some time. I have a high-speed Wi-Fi. Ain't that much time, but still a few seconds. Let's check if it's recording. Yeah, if it's cool, it's recording. So the download is complete. You're gonna click on this and it will give you an installation visit. Click on yes. Welcome to VLC Media Player Setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of VLC Media Player. It is recommended that you close all other applications before starting setup. This will make it possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. To continue, I already have installed. Choose how you want to install VLC. I can upgrade it. I can also change settings. Next, it says recommended. You can install the full version of it and click next, and it will install. So it's done. VLC is one of the most simplest media players. So this is done. This is how you install VLC media player on your laptop, computer, or Mac OS, Ubuntu, Linux, whatever operating system you're using. You can also install it on your mobile phone, your iPhone, your Android phone, your Huawei phone, doesn't matter which phone. VLC is the simplest of them all and it runs most of the media files. That's what I love most about it. Please, that's all for today. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thanks for